Hi everyone, my name is Banu and welcome back to Space Everyday. Today we are going to know about Blue Origin's first flight to space. We are going to learn about the crew, the flight, etc. So let's get started. On 20th July 2021, Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket took to the skies with the first crew on board. On board were Amazon's founder and former CEO Jeff Bezos, his brother Mark Bezos, Oliver Diamond, and Wally Funks. The crew lifted off from their launch site in West Texas at 6:42 a.m. EDT or 1:12 p.m. UTC. The flight lasted for 10 minutes and 19 seconds. Before the flight, there was an auction for a seat on the flight. When the pre-bidding was closed, the highest bid was 4.8 million US dollars. Over 7,000 bidders from 159 countries participated in the pre-bidding. Then, a month later, on 12 June, the auction started, but this time online. There were about 20 bidders and the bid started at 4.9 million and ended at 28 million US dollars.
And thank you so much for being with us today. You have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of sale, both All right, good luck, everyone. Let's begin, shall we? And because 2 weeks ago we started bidding online, the bid that is the most current bid is $4,800,000. So let's open the bidding, please, at $4,900,000. Looking for $4,900,000. I have 4.9 now. Looking for $5 million. $5 million now. $5,100,000. It's $5 million in the front. Looking for $5,100,000. $5,100,000. Sean now $5,200,000. Did you say 10 million? 10 million, 11 million. I have 10 million, and I now have 11 million. And, well, I have 11 million. So we're looking for 12 million or something very similar to it. Yes, 12 million. I have 11 million. 12 million. Who said 13? That's the way to anticipate. Johnny is 13 million. And now 14 million. 14 million. Thanks for that, but 14 million. 14 million. 20 million, now 21 million. 21 million. 21 million. 22 million. 22. It's all about you and going to space now. I have 27. Thank you, John. Thank you, John's bidder. I have 27 million on John's phone. 28. You knew I was going to ask that. 28 million. Thank you. Now 29 million. I have 28 million. Now 29. Awesome. Thank you. And that is sold $28 million to number 1.
The person who bid 28 million rescheduled to another flight later in the year. So the seat was given to the next highest bidder, Oliver Diamond's father, who decided that Oliver Diamond, his son, would be the passenger. So now 3 seats were confirmed and 1 was left. This seat was chosen by Jeff Bezos and this was Wally Funks, also known as Mary Wallace Funks. Wally Funks was selected in Mercury 13. Mercury 13 was a group of 13 women who were selected by a doctor who did tests for the Mercury 7 crew. Mercury 7 was official and was funded by the government, while Mercury 13 was unofficial and was privately funded. The doctor wanted to know whether women could pass the tests which male astronauts did. Wally Funks did pass all the tests, but NASA violated these and did not allow Wally Funks or any other woman to fly to space at that time. So now, about 60 years later, Jeff Bezos selected her for going to space. She became the oldest person to fly to space at the age of 82. Oliver Diamond also became the youngest to fly to space at 18 years of age. This flight added 4 more people to the list of people who went to space. The engine ignited at T-0 and lifted off from the launch pad at T plus 8 seconds. And at 2 minutes 21 seconds, MECO or main engine cutoff took place. About 3 minutes into the flight, the booster separated from the capsule and the astronauts in the capsule experienced 0G. At this point, we can feel weightlessness. At T plus 3 minutes 25 seconds, the capsule passed the Karman line, which is the international definition of space. The Karman line is 100 kilometers above sea level. 4 minutes 3 seconds into the flight, the capsule reached apogee, or the highest point to which they can travel. They traveled 351,210 feet or 107.04 kilometers above the surface on this flight. At 6 minutes 45 seconds, the booster deployed its drag brakes so that it can slow down using air resistance. Since the New Shepard is a reusable vehicle, at T plus 7 minutes, the booster restarted its BE-3 engine and landed safely on the ground. 8 minutes 21 seconds after liftoff, the drogue chutes of the crew capsule deployed, which slowed down the capsule by a bit. Just 13 seconds later, the main chutes deployed and the vehicle slowed down to 26 km per hour or 15 miles per hour. The dust that kicked off when the capsule landed is not because it landed harshly. Instead, it's because of some thrusters which fire when the capsule is close to the ground to make the landing smoother and survivable for the astronauts on board. So this was a successful flight and the crew landed safely and came out safely. Blue Origin is planning to do 2 more flights this year and many more in the next year. That is it for today. Please like, share and subscribe for more and join my Discord which is linked down below. Thank you.